Hey everyone, this is Yash. I'm from team Asian and this is a demo video for our project NFX for EthIndia' 2023. NFX is a NFT explorer where we support dynamic NFTs so that traditionally what used to happen is people used to call the token URI function for the NFT to get the details of the NFT. Nowadays what is happening is some of the NFTs are having some dynamic data on the contract itself. So what we need to do is support that dynamic data along with the NFT metadata, which is which is off-chain data, so that a developer who is not interacting with the NFT contract itself can fetch all the data using a simple API. So what developers can do is first connect their wallet here. After connecting their wallet, they will be able to create a project. So let's create a project. So they will be able to select a project or create a new project, and they can provide the project name, they can provide the project description and create it. Then after doing that, they will be able to enter the name of the NFT contract. Okay, let me quickly fill in the details. Then the developer needs to enter the metadata schema also, and this will automatically validate the schema file. Now let me quickly fill in this file. Now, for example, this contract is of a garden NFT contract, where the garden has some length, some width, and some area, and the owner. So so the developer can choose which fields to include in the output schema. As you can see, this is a dummy API, but user will be able to do the same process and select all of these fields and add in the remapping value. So, for example, the length mapping. For example, we can map this length function to length of garden, and now this would be the field in the output, and then user will be able to submit in this form. Now this is the user view. So any user or developer will be able to come to our platform and will be able to see all the supported NFT contracts, and they will be able to search for their favorite NFT contract. Now let's say if the user want to search for Evergarden NFT contract, they will be able to search in here and they will be able to find that contract in NFT contracts. Now we can also look for projects in the search bar. Now there is also one project page. Now there is also one project page. If the user click on that, he will be able to see all the projects which are supported on our platform. So let's go to this blurry view project. A project can have multiple contracts. For example, a game has multiple NFT contracts, and those NFT contracts can define different things. Let's say one character contract, one source contract, and different contract. So a project is a set of collections. Now in this blurry view project, we can see that there are 3 different contracts, and we can go to any of these. Now we can see that we arrive on the NFT contract page, and now we can see all the different on-chain dynamic functions that we want to support in our output schema. So the user will be able to see, apart from the metadata, what different fields that he can fetch from the smart contract and what we will support in our API. Thank you everyone for listening.